In this video, I will guide you through the creative process of making a delightful calligraphy column using simple ice cream sticks. You will be amazed at how easy it is to craft this unique writing tool. To get started, gather ice cream sticks, a pencil, a ruler, and a cutter. First, draw a slant line on one of the sticks using a pencil. And then carefully cut along the line with the cutter. Take extra care to ensure all edges are smooth. As you can observe, the nib of this column is quite thick, prompting us to carefully divide it into two halves. Thereby transforming its tip into a finer point for more precise writing and intricate strokes. I will demonstrate how to write beautifully with this charming creation. And for our special example, I will inscribe the word Allah with this unique column. So let's dive in and uncover the wonders of ice cream stick calligraphy together. So now you can see here that how beautifully I have written with this ice cream sticks. I hope you find this technique fascinating and enjoyable to try at home. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this creative DIY. Give it a go and happy crafting!